Before we proceed, I want to enlighten us on the tools we are going to need for this session. The first one is your Chrome browser, which is what I'm currently using. So you download a Chrome browser on your mobile device. Download a Chrome browser on your mobile device. I've explained this earlier on. So you download this Google Chrome on your mobile device, be it an iPhone, be it an Android phone. So you get to download this Chrome browser. After you've downloaded the Chrome browser, make sure your phone is on landscape mode when you open this browser. When it's on landscape mode, you use this icon right here. Look at this icon right here. You use it to come to your settings, and here you're going to see more menus where you're going to see new tab. You could see we have new tab, we have new incognito, new window, history, delete browsing data, downloads, bookmarks, recent tabs, share, find in page. But that's not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is right here. So as I scroll down a bit, you could see what I want to show you right here, which is the desktop site. This is the desktop site. So you make sure this is turned on, then you could proceed and make sure your phone is on landscape mode. So we're going to proceed right now. So we have those two intact, and the next thing you're going to need is a domain name to build a professional website on your mobile phone. You need a domain name. So you get a domain name. Reference the particular session or the particular lesson we talked about domain name, how to buy a domain name and how to get a domain name. So if you want to build a professional website, you need to get a domain name. So domain name, we have that already, and we're going to use it to build a website here on our mobile phone using WordPress. So we're going to have domain name, and the next thing is your hosting. With Hostinger, you can host your website. So what we want to do now is we are going to connect all these. We are going to connect all the tools together to make it work for us to build website on our mobile phone. So the next thing is for you to have an hosting service. I prefer Hostinger because I'm using Hostinger. So if you want to go into website agency and website design development, you need an hosting platform that can allow you share hosting between clients. So you could have like 100 clients and build different websites for them using your hosting plan. I've shown you what the hosting plans entails and how you could host 100 websites on one hosting plan. That's the advantage of Hostinger. So it gives you the ability to share your hosting with different clients. So here we are going to have an Hostinger hosting service subscription for a year or more than a year. We're going to have a domain name for a year or more than a year. You're going to have a Chrome browser, and you're going to make sure it's on landscape mode. Then you're going to make sure your desktop site is turned on. Then you're going to make sure you have a domain name. So those are the tools we'll be needing for this particular session. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.